welcome back to my channel Learn and Care with Sneha. Guys, hope you all are safe and doing well, and I hope you all enjoyed my previous makeup videos. So guys, today I am going to share with you all my this Durga Puja Dashami makeup look. And guys, as I already created 3 makeup looks for Durga Puja, if you have not yet watched those videos, then I'll provide you link on I button. You can check it from there. So guys, today I am going to share with you all my this makeup look for Durga Puja, and I hope you all are liking it. So guys, let's not talk more and let me show you all how I created my this makeup look. So guys, today I have already created my eyebrows and have prepped my skin well. So now I am taking my Allegory Pro concealer and I'm just applying it on all over my eyelid area to create my base for my eyeshadow, and I am blending it with the help of my beauty blender. Then I will set my eye base with the help of my Kryolan's translucent powder 3L1, and I am just applying it with the help of a brush. Now my eye base is ready, and now as you can see I have applied tape in both of my eye corners. And now I am taking my Asifa Color Beauty Obsession eyeshadow palette, and I am just taking this pink shade from this palette for my crease area. Yes, I am taking this shade in my brush and applying with the help of this. Today I will create a very soft eye look, and for that I am taking this transition shade and just applying with the help of a brush. I am creating my crease here with this. So now from the same palette I will take this plum shade in my brush and I will apply it in my outer eye corners. I will just create a V with the help of my brush and I will blend it in inward direction. Yes guys, just create a V and just to blend it in inward direction. Now I have blended well, and now I am taking my Nicka K eyeshadow palette and I am taking this yellow shade from this palette in my brush and I am just applying it in my inner eye corners with the help of my brush. It in my inner eye corners and just blending well. Now I am taking my Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and I am taking this black shade from this palette in my brush and I am just applying it in my outer eye corner, and I am applying it very near to my lash line and just blending it well. Now from the same Swiss Beauty palette I am taking this foil shade and just applying it on top of my eyeball area with the help of my finger. I am using my finger because it will give more color pigment. So I am just building it on my eyeball area and then I will diffuse its edges with the help of that same plum color. I am taking that plum color on my brush and just I am diffusing my edges with the help of this. Now my shadow look is complete, and now I am taking my eyeliner. It's my Lakme 925 eyeliner and I am just creating a semi-winged eyeliner today, not so deep. I am just creating a semi-winged liner with the help of this. When you use tapes, it becomes easy to apply winged eyeliner. So now as you can see I have applied, and how easily I have applied this winged eyeliner. So now to create my base I am taking my Lotus Eco Stay foundation and I will apply it on all over my face, and then I will blend it with the help of my beauty blender. So now I am taking my Allegory Pro concealer and I am applying it on all my highlighted area in my under eye area, and I will blend it again with the help of my beauty blender. So now I have blended well, and now to set my base I am taking my Kryolan's translucent powder and I am setting my base with the help of this. I am applying it with the help of my brush. So now my base is ready and I am taking this pink shade from my eyeshadow palette and I am applying it in my lower lid first, and then I am taking this plum shade again and I am applying it on top of that pink shade in my lower lid with the help of my pencil brush. So now I am taking my NY Bay Kohl Kajal and I am applying it in my entire waterline, and I will apply it on my upper waterline also. Now I am taking my Maybelline Voluminous Mascara and I am coating my lashes very well. I am applying in my lower lashes also. Then I will apply falsies in off camera. My Miss Claire blusher palette, and I'm taking this contouring shade from this palette, as I have not applied any cream contour, so I will do only powder contour today. So I am contouring my face very well with this. For my blush today, I am taking this bright pink shade and I am applying it as my blush today. Taking my Miss Claire highlighter palette and I am highlighting my face very well with this. I am just highlighting all my highlighted areas with this. Then I will fix my makeup with the help of my Faces Canada's makeup fixer. And then for my lipstick today, I am taking my Swiss Beauty liquid lipstick and I will give you the shade in description box. You can check it from there. So I am applying it as my lipstick today. So guys, here is the final look and I hope you all enjoyed my this makeup look. Guys, if you liked my this video, then please do like and share my video and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for more updates. So guys, मिलते हैं अपने अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए stay safe, stay at home and happy Durga Puja to you all in advance.